What's up, crypto fans? This is Dwight here at Retro Crypto YouTube channel. Got a cool video for you today. It's on Cardano and its ecosystem. We'll be doing a lot of charting. It is November 25th, 2024 at 6:49 p.m. in the good old US of A, East Coast of the US of A. And yeah, pretty excited to do this video. I got a lot of love from a recent video I put out on Cardano. A lot of new subscribers, got some likes. It was awesome. So I'm gonna follow the love. So I'm gonna do a video on Cardano, a lot of technical analysis. I want to jump into its ecosystem with a little bit of technical analysis, and then you guys are gonna leave comments. So let me know what projects you would like to see more technical analysis on, and you're gonna hit that like button, and you guys are gonna subscribe to support the channel. Why? Because you're gonna give me some love. But before we start, I need you guys to do me a favor. I need you guys to give me a blessing. Please make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. It's essential so my channel explodes. All right. Now, with all I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. But it is essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right, guys. Matter of fact, that's like rule number one in the crypto world. If you don't know much about anything, do your own research. DYOR. Get a Twitter account, maybe add me to the people you follow, and start doing your own research. And for me, it started with Twitter. But anyway, as I digress, all right, let's jump right into this video, guys. All right, let's see, where's Cardano right now? Cardano is currently in the number 9 spot, number 9 in the market cap. It's currently at 94 cents. Let's see, its market cap is $33 billion, which is amazing. The 24-hour volume is 3,690 or something like that thousand. Absolutely boggling. And to think that we're just beginning, you know what I'm saying? You should be excited. All right. Now, if you're just getting into Cardano, it's still not too late. It's just, I wish that you were buying when it was like 35 cent. Yeah, it was lower than that, actually. I wish you were buying when over the bear market, but it's not too late. And I'm going to show you what kind of percentages I foresee, my prediction of where I think the price is going to go. All right. All right. So let's just jump. Everybody's talking about Bitcoin and everything else. So you can watch that video. We're going to do Cardano. We're going to stick to Cardano. Okay. Here we go. All right. Right here is Tap Tools. This is the Cardano ecosystem. It is absolutely, some of these projects have been exploding. All right. Not too big on the meme coins, but they're there. And if you guys want me to cover them, other than SNEK, I will cover SNEK. But you want me to cover the other ones? Let me know. Leave it in the comments. The more comments I get, the more traffic they send to the channel also. And I have an opportunity to give you what you want. All right. So anyway, let's jump right in here to Cardano, and then I'll jump back over here and grab some projects, do some charting on them, and we'll go from there. All right. Here we go, guys. All right. So first things first, Cardano right now. This is, what is this built on? Okay, this is the total market cap against Cardano, all right? So what I did was, we're going to run this chart back to right here, November 4th, which is about right when, yeah, November 4th is when Cardano Ecosystem started to take off, all right? Now, from that point to now, where Cardano is up 184%, all right? Now, the total market cap, which means it encompasses the entire crypto market, is up 41.4%. 41.44%. It's moving as I'm talking, duh. But that's like an awesome, should give you a feeling for Cardano. Cardano is actually ahead of the overall total market cap, all right? In a sense, November 4th. And there's a lot more coming, all right? So you should be super excited about this project. And trust me, it's not too late. Bitcoin is up 37% since November 4th. You see where I'm going at with this? I just want that to sink in, all right? Now, if you start stretching this out a little, these percentages are going to change. But Cardano is still leading the way, as far as being up right until where we're at here, March 24th. So that should tell you guys a lot right there, all right? If you can't get the, yeah. All right, so anyway, all right, let's jump forward here. And while we're at it, let's do something real quick, guys, for fun. Let's look at the overall total market cap, because it's still good to know. Boom, boom, delete this out here. We're at 3.3 trillion, 180 billion. I mean, what's that? You know what I'm saying? oh my God, it is amazing to see crypto grow. All right, that is. But anyway, as I digress, let's keep going. Let's keep going with Cardano. All right, so let's jump over to this next chart with Cardano here, and what you see here is at the all-time high from September 3rd, 18th, somewhere in that range. This is saying September 3rd, but I thought it was later in September. But it looks like it was September 3rd, 2021. Uh, Cardano hit like $3 market. I don't think it was 309. I think it was more like $3 even, but you get the idea. Um, Cardano had, if we were to go from where we are right now at 0.9936 dollar, if we were to go right now to where it was at the all-time high at $3, it would be roughly a 214% increase. Okay, you feeling me? Now, that's awesome. But I think we're going to go much further than that. And I know in my heart of hearts, Cardano's going to go at least to $5. All right. Now, Cardano's going to go to $5. That'll put people up at roughly 400%. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Now, I do wish these people, I wish you got in sooner if you didn't, to give you an idea. If you got in at, say, 36 cents, that's at 1,267%. But, it happens, it is what it is. But yeah, that's amazing, isn't it? But anyway, uh, wow. But you're still gonna have 400%. That's at $5. Now, a lot of the guys I really trust out there that I follow, been following for many years, like Jason Appleton. He's actually predicting Cardano to go to $8 roughly, and that's still a 700% increase. So you're not too late, but you have to get in the game. You have to get in the game. So all my coworkers they're not driving me crazy. I actually enjoy them coming to me so I can help. They know how long I've been into crypto since 2017, December 18th, 2017. Brought in at the all-time high back then, and wrote it all the way down, wrote it up, wrote it down again. But I ain't doing this time. Take my profit. But anyway, so Cardano still got in the ideal world, it's still got 700% to go. Minimum 400%. Now, remember, I'm just an ordinary guy out there with a passion for crypto. Got to do your own research. All right. Now, Let's keep moving forward here. Now, this is the Fu Manchu chart here. It's a free open source version of Market Cipher that you can get on TradingView. All right. And I'll explain to you what you're looking at here because I know it's kind of confusing. But if you haven't hit that like button, make sure you guys hit that like button. All right, please hit that like button and subscribe. All right, let's keep it going. Let's see. Where do we want to start this? I started somewhere realistic. I don't want to run back too far because the market's been on fire, and we all know that it's on fire at this point. You know what I mean? I don't want to waste your time. All right, let's start right here. On November 14th, you can see how we had a blood diamond and a sell signal fire off. It did a slight pullback on the Fu Manchu A chart, and then all these bullish continuations had a bearish one, a couple. And we've really just been bullish, and we were bullish right up until this point right here, and that was on November 24th. We fired off with a sell signal, and then we fired off with a short signal right here, this little X there. And then we're definitely in the midst of a pullback, according to the Fu Manchu A chart. All right, I'm not saying it no more. And then we had another bearish continuation, and then another short sell signal. So Cardano's definitely in the midst of a pullback. I think it might be about to swing back around. Nope, we're still in the midst of that pullback. No question there. Now this is on a 4-hour chart. 2-hour chart might look a little different. We'll take a peek at it in a minute. Now the Fu Manchu B chart is a little bit trickier to read, but I'll help you. I'll guide you through it. We're just going to start this one right here. We had a sell signal fire off on November 23rd, and you can see that we're riding down that channel right here. Now, a long signal fired off on November 24th right here. This is a long buy signal, but then we're having another sell signal right here fire off. The momentum, which is the blue, is down without question. The volume is yellow, is down without question. But the cash flow is green, and it is still in the positive territory, very much so. So the money's still flowing into Cardano, guys. All right, don't get it twisted. Um, that we're going to jump over. Oh, and by the way, this cell here, if you're looking for the Fu Manchu, the cell is something I added on is the RF, B and S signals. All right, I love to share all my knowledge with you guys, and it's essential that you teach yourself how to do this. Don't depend on other YouTubers to do this for you. People, you can take charts and mode it to what you want to see. That's why I show so many charts, so there's no question. All right. Now the exponential moving average on a 4-hour chart here is showing that Cardano has dipped back into the ribbons. Is that almost in the neutral territory in the ribbons? What I like to say is it's showing bearish tendencies right now. Okay, on a 4-hour chart, Cardano without question is showing bearish tendencies. All right. Now, if you look at ADA on with the VRVP, the volume profiler chart, in the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands, Cardano is beneath this orange line here, which is like a, how can I explain it? It's the median, I call it the median line, and it's riding the bottom Bollinger Band here, which is 100% bearish. There's no question Cardano is currently bearish, right, with the Bollinger Bands. And you can even see the volume down here. The volume's down. The stochastic RSI, Cardano is bearish. It's about bearish as you can get really on a 4-hour chart. And remember, classic RSI is short term. Long term RSI, it's entered the bearish territory and it's doing a pullback there also. Now, if we look at the 2-hour chart, 2-hour chart is bearish. And let's jump back to this real quick to make sure we're not missing anything. 2-hour chart is very bearish. I mean, we're riding this channel down, the sell channel aggressively on a 2-hour chart. There was a blood diamond here. So, yeah, we're definitely pulling back, guys. Yeah. All right. So let's jump forward. The next one here. This is the Ichimoku. I love the Ichimoku. It's a very fun one to use, and it predicts future price action based on previous indicators, and it's actually predicting Cardano should swing back around. Now it's hard to believe how accurate this is, considering that it's predicting 4 days out into the advance on the 4-hour chart. Now it's not perfect at all. By no means is it perfect, but the more you play with it, it's more accurate than it's wrong. A lot more accurate than it's not accurate. But you got to get in there and use it, and, decide for yourself. All right. But so Ichimoku is definitely saying that Cardano is still bullish, just not bullish right now. I think it's bullish. I mean, it's very the market is super volatile, so yeah, it is what it is. All right, so next thing I wanted to do is I just wanted to go over a few projects that if you here's a problem. Cardano is on Coinbase, is on Binance. They're the biggest exchanges. If you're a newcomer, you're probably using one of those two. You may be using what is that? Crypto.com. That's another one that's real popular with people. And then, but after that point, it's kind of more like you got to have a little know-how, or you're starting to dive. Like MEXC, that's an exchange that you can use, but in the U.S. you got to use a VPN to access it. And your skill level has to increase in order to get there. Or the DEXs, the decentralized exchanges, which they are. Centralized exchanges are starting to pick up some of these projects, but slowly. And MEXC will be centralized. Decentralized would be something like WingRider, for example, or MemSwap on Cardano. If you don't know about them, I suggest you stop and you learn about it. That way you can open yourself up to the entire ecosystem, if that makes sense. All right, and I know it does. If you don't, leave it comments. I would love to explain it to you. No big deal. Seriously. I actually mean that too. Isn't that crazy? All right, so all right, so that's a couple projects I want to talk to you about, like some of the top ones. I want to talk like SNEK. SNEK is a meme coin. I literally hate meme coins, but I like SNEK because SNEK is around from the previous bull market. When people at work ask me about crypto, I say any meme coin that was left over from last bull market, obviously Doge, Shiba Inu, was Bunk around last? I don't think it was. Shiba Inu. Oh, Pepe. You get the idea. They're not going nowhere, unfortunately. I'm not a fan. I hate meme coins, but yeah. So SNEK was around since previous bull run, and let's see what SNEK is doing right now. So currently, SNEK is a buy. It had a change from this sell, change from previous trend on November 24th on this 2-hour. Let's do the 4-hour chart. I'm sorry, I don't want to do the 2 hours. Too volatile. Let's see here. Let's pull this down. SNEK fired off with a buy signal back on November 14th and has not changed. So it is still a buy. There's a ton of bullish continuations, a few bearish, but a ton of bullish, guys. So you don't want to sleep on a SNEK. Um, it has entered in on the Fu Manchu B chart. It did enter into a sell territory. So you may want to wait. You know, you got to use your judgment, your own research. The volume is down, cash flow is still up, momentum is starting to pull back. But SNEK is a good one, guys. If we look at SNEK with the, here we go, with the exponential rip, exponential. Oh my gosh, I messed this one up so much, so I'm not even going to worry about trying to get the word out. Exponential moving average. All right, if you look at a SNEK with this right here, you'll see it's 100% bullish on a 4-hour chart, more bullish than Cardano at this point. All right, keep that in mind. And if we look at SNEK with, I'm not going to worry about these anymore. If you look at SNEK with the look at SNEK with the Ichimoku. SNEK is bullish, very bullish. All right. Now another exciting project that you'll find over here that's doing really good right now is World Mobile Token. If you don't know about World Mobile Token, you better do some research, guys. World Mobile Token is the real deal. They're bringing access to the internet to Africa with these like Zeppelin-looking aerostats, and it's truly decentralized wireless cell phones. Awesome. Invest in it. I hate to give financial advice. I'm not giving financial advice. I'm advising you to do some serious research. All right. Right now, it might be a buy time because it's fired off with a sell and a short signal. So it might be a good time to pick up some. Um, According to the B chart, Fu Manchu B, it looks like we're opening up with a buy right down here. Fired off today. Cash flows up. Volume is up. Momentum is moving in the right direction. So it might be a time to make a move on World Mobile Token. Also, exponential moving average, it found support in the ribbons and it still stayed bullish. That is awesome, guys. I do like the way that looks. Um, let's see, let's jump over here. The Ichimoku has it bullish on a 4-hour chart. It looks beautiful, guys. Another one I wanted to show you guys is Cornucopias. It's a gaming one. It's a game. It's actually not gaming. It is gaming, but I'm sorry. Cornucopias is, help me out. It is a metaverse. All right, metaverse with gaming's awesome. Trust me, and it's a real deal. They've been building it forever, and that's one the problem I do have with it is it's they need to release it already. But anyway, uh, now, Cornucopias did fire off with a sell signal on the 24th and is in the middle of a significant pullback. Short signal fired off on the 25th, which is today. Sell signal fired off with the Fu Manchu B chart on the 23rd. We're still riding that channel, guys. Volume is down, cash flow is pulling back, momentum is way down. All right. And with the Bollinger Bands, World Mobile Token, we are definitely still in bullish territory. Very bullish. It found support. I love to see it dip into the ribbons and bounce right back over top of it. That is strong support, guys. And like I said, these projects, they just keep going on and on. IAG, Indy, Hunt, MemSwap, the Sugar, unfortunately. It's a meme coin. Um, oh my gosh, I just keep going Hosky. Hosky, not really. MVL token, which I'm kind of starting to like that. Wi-Fi's been around for a while. It's been lagging, but I still think there's a chance. I think that the guy behind it really does. They've always asked to do an interview with me. Maybe they still know I exist. Maybe they'll do it. Anyway, guys, but let me know what projects you want to cover. I'm looking at Tap Tools here. It's awesome. That's your gateway into the Cardano ecosystem. But I think that you're going to start seeing more market cap tracking of Cardano projects, which has been ridiculous. All right, but if you like this video, hit the like button. Please, if you didn't like it, hit the dislike button. Still helps, believe it or not. Leave comments and subscribe. And I like to close this video with this. If you invested in Cardano back when it was like 35 cents, um, give thanks to God, all right, and make wise decisions with your money, okay? It's a blessing. and blessings shouldn't be taken lightly. All right, and with that said, be blessed. Peace out.